take the center cap off, use a straight blade screwdriver. Take that off. Use a 22mm socket, take off the lug nuts. Take the wheel off. Just gonna use a screw jack and support the rear axle. I'm gonna loosen this up. I'm gonna use a 21mm socket and a breaker bar. And I put a wrench on this side and braced it up against the axle. Just make sure you get underneath the ABS wiring harness. There we go, got the bolt out. Now I want to take this top bolt out. On the inside, I'm going to use a 21mm socket and an extension and just go from the back side of the frame. And just try to get onto the nut. And the outside, I'll use a 21mm socket. Just got to pull back on the shield a little bit. So I got the nut off. Let's try to get the socket off. Then just move the shock around. Try to get the bolt out. You might need a pry bar. I'm just going to pry it out. And if you got to use the pry bar up top as well. Slide the old one out. Take the new shock and you just want to exercise it. Just compress it. Do this 3 times. Take the new shock, slide it in position. Get the bolt in. And get the nut on up top. I'll just put it in the socket. And just get it started. Before I tighten that up, line the lower bolt and nut up. You can lower the rear suspension down a little bit to get this to line up. Slide the bolt through. Put the nut on. Now I'm going to torque that bolt to 70 foot-pounds. Do the same on the bottom one, 70 foot-pounds. Lower the screw jack and reinstall the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. And reinstall the center cap.